Okay, so let's start off from Sale Driving Test Center. Drive carefully here, guys. Well, it's icy today when this video was made. Excuse me. Going left at the end. It's a very close junction. Keep good clearance from the parked cars on the left. So it's going to be next road on the left. Do your MSM routine. Adopt your driving based on the conditions, both sides parked cars. So the speed limit can be maximum about 15, 16. At the end, we're going to turn right, another closed junctions. Then follow the road straight. And there is only one way we can go at the end of this road based on this road marking. So turning left. It's a bit uphill junction. So be careful with the hill start. Another pedestrian crossings at the end, main set of traffic lights turning left. Watch the parked cars on the left or people loading. Speed limit is all 30, but like I said, drive according to the conditions. If there are parked cars, give them good clearance while watching oncoming traffic. At the end, traffic lights turning left. So you are onto a main road with 2 lanes. So stay left. Wait for the instructions. If the sat nav or the examiner wants you to go right at the light, so move over to the right. About 400 yards you can move over to the right. So it's a very tight right turn. You need to make sure you are keeping a good safe distance from the curb on the right and the cars going straight on the left side. So follow the road straight ahead. Let's pull up on the left side. Drive off. When you're ready, make sure you do your prepare the car, observe all around, right blind spot, and then let's take this next road on the right. We can do a pull up on the right side here, guys. Then you got to reverse back couple of car lengths. Stay close and straight along the curb. They'll tell you when to stop. Guys, this is a quick illustration of a route, so I always advise follow your instructor's advice and suggestion and just ask them questions, relevant questions about different elements of driving. So I'm just making these routes as a quick illustration for you guys to watch. So please like and follow and comment if possible. Going right at the end. Sorry, I was just doing some marketing in the process. So follow the road straight. It's a bendy road. Just so you know, there's no speed limit mentioned. So it's a built up area. So the speed limit is 30 when there is no sign mentioned. So at the end of this, we're going to go left. So the road is ending with this give way. Make sure you check. And then traffic lights turning left. Back onto the same main road with 2 lanes. Make sure you check your mirrors, all 3 mirrors as you set off. There could be some cyclist on your right or on your left. So follow the road straight. Sat-nav might say to you in 800 yards turn right. So 800 is a bit early. So do about in 400 yards, move onto the right lane. So you can always double check with your instructor or with your examiner that this is the traffic lights I'm turning. So there you go. You just turned right at the lights. Ask any questions from your instructor if you have any confusion about right turn at the traffic lights, as there can be different scenarios. So it's going to be a right turn coming up. The sat-nav may start saying in about 200 to 300 yards turning right. Again, you can double check, identify the junction you are turning, and then do your MSPSL routine. Let's do a pull up on the left side. It's a bit icy when this video was made. So this was yesterday. So that would be about, I think, 8th of January it was, 2025. We're going to do a quick parallel park. Well, not quick, just make sure you do it safely and follow the safety advice. At the end, now driving off at the end of this road, it's a left turn. It's a crossroad. You guys have a give way, so make sure it's safe to come out. There we go. Now guys, at the just follow the road straight. There is often gonna be situation with the parked cars, so going right at the end. So give way to the traffic on the right. Keep an eye on traffic coming from the left to go back into that junction where you're coming out from. So you can sit in the middle and then again check on the left and then join the road. So this one is you are approaching a one-way system. There is only one way you can go, left, and then keep right at the end. And then you got to follow the road straight, which means you got to move back to the left side. This learner moved over to the left a bit late, to be honest. So you try to do a bit early here. And then a mini roundabout coming up. If no direction given, it means you are going straight ahead. Give way to the traffic on the right. There we go. Let's go this left and we can do a quick bay parking in this car park. Again, it's a bit icy. So that's the end of the route that would take you back to the driving test center. So please like and share, guys. Thank you very much.